Hello again YouTube, Mad Dog here, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back in my my yard at home, and today I thought I'd do a brew and a bit of a shout out to a good friend of mine. And also I'm going to be making some charred jute netting. I really like the charred jute netting, that's what I got this fire established with. In my opinion it burns hotter for a longer period of time than char cloth. And I'm going to be showing where I get my material from, and we're going to be having us a proper coffee from the same place, so stay tuned and we'll have some fun. Okay, let's get our water on. We're going to have us a good coffee today. And the coffee that I mentioned is from Anvil Coffee. So a small barista coffee roasting sort of speciality company over here in the UK. Now this coffee was gifted to me by my good friend Richard Vezza, who is the founder and owner of that company. He sent me 2 of these bags of coffee in another parcel, which I'll show you in a few minutes. So I've got some whole bean Papua New Guinea coffee here, and roasters speciality Colombian, Brazil, Honduras and India. That's where obviously they all come from. A number two bean there. Today I've gone ahead and ground some of these Papua New Guinea beans up. I've got that in this little Tupperware container here, and I'm not kidding you, that smells epic. Now the reason also I'm showing you guys and lasses this is because the old coffee sacks that the beans come in, that Richard Mr. Vezza roasts himself in house, they come in the proper Hessian coffee sacks or jute sacks, which he's gone ahead and really generously gifted to me, which I use and I have done previously to make my jute netting charred material. Okay, so these are the coffee bags that Mr. Vezza has sent me. They're really nice actually. It's a shame to actually cut them up and use them for charring. They're quite a sizable sack. Some of them still have coffee beans in the bottom of them. And let's see if I can get you a couple out here. So you still got coffee beans there in the bottom, and the smell, oh, fantastic. And he's gone ahead and gifted me a great big box of this stuff. He has done before in the past, and it is what I use to make my char cloth on our little eBay shop with. For transparency, I also use from time to time the more open weave jute netting. It just depends on what resource availability I have at the time. So you guys and lasses, if you buy any of my charred jute netting, you could potentially get either or, but they all work fantastically well with your flint and steel kit. They really are good. Like I say, in my opinion, they hold a hotter ember for longer than standard char cloth, so it gives you a better chance if you're using marginal materials in your bird's nest. Okay, let's get some of this good stuff in here. I'm not going to measure out. I'm just going to get a load of this in my little French press here. I do like my coffee strong. Okay. Oh, good Lord, that smells good. Wowzer. That smells really good. Holy smokes. Holy cow, that smells good. And I'm sort of rushing this a little ways for the video. But believe you me, I'm going to have me several of these today. It'll probably make for a sleepless night, but hey. Oh yeah. Oh, absolutely epic. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh man, that smells so good. Oh yes, indeedy. Oh, yeah. Oh, that smells so good. Wow, hot. Oh, it's almost, it's got a nutty undertone to it, almost hazelnutty. It's really smooth. Smells fantastic. Oh, sun's out, motorbikes are out. Oh man, that's some good gear. Okay, so whilst I'm enjoying my coffee and we've got a fire going, I've got one of my char tins here, and inside of which I've gone ahead and cut up some of the coffee bag material there, rolled it up. So we're just going to make us some char whilst I've got the fire on the go. So I'm just going to throw that into the fire and let's do some char cooking. Alrighty, it's about cooked through now, so take my tongs, take my tin out, and turn it upside down so no air can get into the vent hole on the lid of my tin. And we've got to let that cool now to absolutely stone cold. If you try and disturb this or open the lid whilst there's even the slightest hint of warmth left, your char will start to self-combust straight away and you'll lose the lot. So top little tip, be patient, let your tin go absolutely stone cold before you attempt to open it. Okay, let's see what we've got. Oh, that looks good. Yep, that's some good stuff right there. I'm going to take a piece of this now, try it out. Just pan you up here a little ways. Bring on the old flint and steel kit and let's see how we go with this. The piece of flint I'm using isn't very sharp. It's not ideal, but like I've said many times before, I like to use and practice with poor materials. That way when I know I need to do it for real, as it were, I can get it easy, you know. Let me move my tin out of the way. Oh, sparks going straight into my char tin. Okay, I think we're in. It's hard to see in the sunlight. Yeah, we've definitely got one there. I don't know if this is picking up. But yeah, it's good coal there. I'm going to bring on a bit of this netting and just use it as my bird's nest, just for a quick demo. Hopefully if I can get in camera shot, that'd help. Okay, there we go. Put that in the fire pit. So it's good effective stuff. No problem with that at all. Superb. Okay, so this is a quick look at the box of the bags that Richard over at Anvil Coffee has sent me. And this thing is stuffed, it's crammed full of these things. Absolutely fantastic. I really appreciate it, brother. If you're watching, thank you very much. I hope I can find a way to repay you. I'm sure we'll come to some agreement along the ways. Really appreciate it. Superb stuff. Absolutely epic. Thank you. Okay, so in closing, before I close, I just wanted to say again a massive thank you very much to Richard over at Anvil Coffee and all his guys and lasses that are part of his business. Thank you all very much. It's much appreciated. I do respect it and appreciate it a lot. All you guys and lasses, if you want to try yourself some good coffee and support your own over here in the UK, I'll leave a link in the description box as always. Please go and check out Anvil Coffee. Show them some love and support, and again, support your own. Yeah, fantastic product from a fantastic outfit. Beautiful job. And again, thank you very much for the jute bags. Excuse me, really good of you guys. And that's it from me. Hope you find it entertaining, if not useful. And until next time, take care of each other. Mad Dog signing off. Yeah!